obviously, this is an issue that is becoming worse and worse. Knowledge is important, but we are reaching a point where we have too much knowledge and it's backfiring. So, what is the solution then? Is it to not know more, or is there some line in between where you can have some balance where you can minimize the downsides and actually just expand your knowledge and apply it in your life to become a wiser person?
I don't know if my approach to this is the right one, but I'm someone who says, and this is a quote that I've mentioned before, that a human is nothing but a thinking seed. And if I'm nothing but a thinking seed, then my a little bit relentless, kind of aggressive approach to this topic at least is, fuck it, bring me all the information and the knowledge. I will probably struggle or suffer for a few months, maybe a year or two, but eventually I will be able to sort out and process all this information, this knowledge, and we'll be able to set it like to have a better use for it in my life. But like I said, like this kind of works for me, and my personality and like the way that I function. I like I'm the person who likes, hey, let me be the sponge. I will take it all in.
Yeah.
It's gonna take me some time to process it, to rinse it out, to decide what's good and what's not, and what do I want and what I won't want in my life. And then at some point, I will get there. For some people, that can be really overwhelming. So that kind of differs on who you are.
From individual to individual.
Exactly. And kind of like the life that you want for yourself or what you're trying to get out of this life that we've got, you know? I believe, though, that nevertheless of the choice that you make, you're going to be bombarded with everything.
Yeah, especially nowadays. Yeah.
Exactly. Whether it's from social media, whether it's from AI, whether it's from literally just being on the internet, or even talking to people or your friends, because they're being bombarded with information and they need to process that. And the way most people process information or knowledge, exactly, through external means. So if you try to step away from social media and you try to separate from a lot of things, then you've got your friends or people that you know
that will talking about.
Try to process it with you, which at some
it's
point,
unavoidable.
Exactly. So this is something that we've got to go through. But of course, you can always limit how much information you get at one point, and then maybe that will change your process time about it.